Hello, I'm Jason Montague, Chief Luxury Officer for Oceania Cruises, and I'm delighted to share some exciting news with you about a luxurious new addition to our fleet. As we look to the future of luxury ocean travel, we asked a simple question: what is the most meaningful way to explore the world? And more importantly, how do we bring a sense of joy to every moment along the journey? To answer those questions, we turn to the people who know Oceania best: our guests, crew, and travel partners. Their collective insight helped shape something entirely new, and thanks to all of them, it's my honor to introduce Oceania Aurelia. Oceania Aurelia is part of our broader Oceania Next evolution, our ongoing commitment to elevate every aspect of the guest experience. To me, what makes this especially meaningful is the opportunity to take something that has long been part of Oceania's story and reimagine it for the future. Oceania Aurelia, which means the Golden One, is a reflection of that vision. A ship built for everything we know and designed for those who still want to see more. And with Oceania Aurelia, that commitment takes on a new purpose, creating a ship designed specifically for global exploration, including our 2028 and 2029 around-the-world voyages. With fewer than 500 guests on board, Oceania Aurelia offers a more intimate, true home at sea with elegant suites and public spaces, where hospitality feels personal and your expectations are not only met, but surpassed.
This was a project that we've been looking at doing it for some time, and I'm really excited about this. This is older ships that will come to life once again. They will be fully refurbished. She will be fully refurbished. And we will touch again every single inch of the ship, especially all the suites. We want to elevate a little bit the space in every single suite. Most of them, they will be about 300 square feet. Dining experience will be elevated. We're still going to have the grand dining room, and we are working on elevation of all the entire menu offering. And obviously we will have Toscana and Polo Grill. However, think that the ship will have fewer than 500 guests, and we are not reducing any crew at all. So imagine the elevation of the service in this restaurant and the space that we will have in the restaurant. For Aurelia, we are not reducing any crew. So we're going to go from an average of 1 to 6 crew to pax ratio to 1.2. So it's going to be almost 1 crew member for each guest on board. That's extraordinary. I think what I'm looking most for this Aurelia is that she will be the heritage of our company. She really will be what we started at the very beginning 23 years ago, and we're taking her to a next level. We are taking these little ships and we're making on the same level of the newest ship. So this is going to be phenomenal, and I'm glad that she will be able to go in places where the bigger ship cannot go anymore. So think about small places in Vietnam, thinking about places in the world where we cannot go anymore with a bigger ship.
Across Oceania Aurelia, you'll find sophisticated, welcome spaces to relax, connect, and unwind, along with a collection of signature dining experiences that reflects our passion for cuisine. There's also a strong focus on enrichment and discovery, from culinary workshops, guided demonstrations and tastings, to digital learning, art classes, wine tastings, and more. Whether you choose to sail on a grand voyage or a world cruise, we cannot wait for you to explore across continents, cultures, and oceans, all within the comfort of a single, beautifully reimagined ship. Stay tuned for more details about these exciting 180-night adventures very soon. On behalf of our entire Oceania Cruises staff and crew from around the world, we look forward to welcoming you on board, where the joy of traveling well is felt in every moment of your journey.